Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Microsoft Flight Simulator. First, ensure the game is fully installed and updated, which can take several hours due to its large file size, often exceeding 100 gigabytes. Next, connect and configure your flight stick, yoke, or gamepad. Finally, navigate to the graphics settings and optimize them for smooth performance on your computer, aiming for at least 30 frames per second. For your initial flight, I recommend selecting a straightforward aircraft such as the iconic Cessna 152, known for its forgiving flight characteristics. Pick a small, uncontrolled airport with clear skies to minimize complexity. Crucially, complete the in-game flight training tutorials. They provide essential knowledge on takeoff, landing, and navigation, guiding you through about 8 to 10 fundamental lessons. Once you are comfortable with the basics, open the world map to plan your next aerial adventure. You can fly over your hometown, visit famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, or explore remote regions. Don't hesitate to experiment with various aircraft, from nimble jets to large airliners, and try different weather settings, perhaps a challenging crosswind landing, to broaden your experience. To truly enhance your simulation, explore the vast world of third-party add-ons, including highly detailed aircraft and realistic scenery, often available through the in-game marketplace or external developers. Engaging with the vibrant online community, perhaps on forums or social media, offers invaluable tips and shared experiences. Remember, consistent practice, even just 30 minutes a day, is key to mastering your virtual piloting skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.